Pacquiao is starting to practice for the preparation for his upcoming face-off with Gilberto Soto. Typhoon Helen strikes Metro Manila. Calvin Chen and Wuchun invade the Philippines.
3, 2, 1, action.
1 billion GSI is scam. The Philippines is involved with the criminalization of the Ombudsman against government service insurance. He said, President Wilson Garcia and other officials. Now let's hear the report of Shirley about Albert Velasco filed a case against the government service insurance system. Wilson Garcia and other officials concerning the 1 billion pesos that Garcia gave to the office of President last 2004. According to Velasco, the 1 billion pesos fund should not give back in Malacanang. Instead, it should give subsidy to the different branches of government. Thank you, Charmaine. Now for the sport, Manny Pacquiao is starting his training for the preparation of his upcoming fight with Gilberto Soto. Let's hear the report of the life. David Regardless has called the next contender of Manny Pacquiao.
Liwanagan natin, di makita si Dulay.
Gilberto Soto. We all know that Gilberto Soto is ang pinaka-contender of Pacquiao. Pacquiao rather than Pacquiao is their starting to fight for the
Now let's go to the weather report.
Bagyong Erwin is in the Luzon, while Bagyong Helen is in the Visayas, and
Alright.
Bagyong Helen is in the Visayas, in the Luzon now, in the Visayas, and the Bagyong Helen is in the now. And it is the first time in the history of the Philippines that there are 3 typhoons in the country. And the Pagano said that the Brazil suspended for 3 months in the whole country.
3 months. Okay.
Thank you, Carlo. Now, let's see what's the latest happening in the showbiz. Leilani, thank you, Jen. Good morning to all of you. We are so excited.
Uchud!
Members of the committee of Paradise. Good morning, guys. Jonas. I'm here with you.
Sing!
It's your first time here. So what's the say about our
Really nice to hear.
Uchud!
You are just good, right?
Uchung! Uchung.
We have 4. I don't like wearing that clothes that are
Asan si Calvin? Calvin, is that you?
Okay, now for your Victorian Stella Romantic Princess. So, there was by everybody.
I'm just saying that just watch it.
Si Uchung bumalik sa reporter.
Now, I am Jennifer Pietro
I'm ready to
for 24 Patrol now signing out. Oh wait, there's a very fresh news coming from Charles. Charles, come in.
Good morning, everyone.
Hindi nakuha. Hindi
I'm
nakuha eh.
I'm here at Legazpi Albay and Bicol. There are many houses and trees that are destroyed here, and many people are affected. As we can see, people here are suffering from floods. Their houses their houses, half of their houses are underwater. And they are thankful into our network, GMA because
Yeah,
of the relief
yeah.
goods that we have given them. And we are still helping them. So you people that your relatives are here, don't worry about them. They're safe. Okay, back to you.
Gusto na naman ako, Juan.